Right now, I'm just waiting on the address for the Dead City Punx show. It's a secret location tonight. It's about to go crazy. Can't wait. I'm gonna go take some crazy pictures. Probably gonna bring the point and shoot with me. And I'll update you guys when I get the address. Let's fucking go. So we got the address to the Punx show. Okay, cool. Let's go. Secret location. Well, now we're pulling up to the Dead City Punx show. It's about to be insane. Got Aley with me here.
What up?
Let's go. It's gonna be crazy. The late 1970s saw the birth of this raw, rebellious movement, with bands like The Germs, X, and The Weirdos leading the charge. They played in gritty venues like The Mask, turning music into a riotous art form.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show ain't even started yet, we already fucking shit up!
Okay, let's go get the rest of the film and shit. This is the perfect walk-up view. Fuck. Well, we're at the DCP show right now. LA going up. Let's get it. By the early 1980s, LA was the epicenter of hardcore punk. Bands like Black Flag, Circle Jerks, and Fear took the aggression up a notch, playing in any space they could find. Warehouses, basements, you name it. It was all about DIY, anti-authoritarianism, and raw energy. Fast forward to now, and the spirit of punk is still alive and kicking. It's pure chaos. Oh, nice.
That was a good one.
Got the sock on fire. Yeah, let's go. Legend. You got two mosh pits. You gotta go to the other one too.
Oh shit, yeah.
Gonna reload my film. That was a lot hotter than I thought it would have been. And we're good. Let's go. Yo, baby. It looks so good on the GoPro. Oh, that was fire. Yo, I found Waldo. Let's go. Let's go. Cheers. This guy's the best seat in the house tonight. Holy. Yo, what we doing? What we doing?
We gonna do, baby!
You felt that shit?
In my heart.
Yeah, no, for real. I first got into the underground punk scene in LA when I met a member of Dead City Punx. He invited me to one of their shows. And if you haven't seen the footage in my Unwrapping Steel documentary, you're missing out on some pure, unadulterated chaos. Dead City Punx, you already know what it is. LA, real LA shit. Real LA shit right here. Let's go.
Hope you like your stay, brother. What's up, my boy?
What's up, my guy? Good to see you, dog. Chilling. How you been, yo?
Yeah, you already know.
Fuck yeah.
How the fuck are you?
Yo, what's good? Good to see you, yo. That was serious.
Going viral!
Perfect, thank you. Man, I'm sweating. I didn't know the fire was gonna be that crazy. It's a lot hotter than you think it is, honestly, when you're inside there, but.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
right
just
now.
fucking happy to see you, man.
Oh.
Cut that shit on Dead City Punx, stop playing!
I literally thought that guy's whole fucking shoulder was gonna go.
No.
Oh, you got a nice one. You got a nice one, yo. That's a real mosh pit into you right there. Oh shit. Letting off like 50 of those bitches. Hope that one rebound. You good? You good?
I got burned.
What?
I got burned.
You okay though? It hit you?
Yeah.
Damn, baby got her first firework in her ass.
Don't ruin my identity now!
The band pulled up at the end of a dead-end street in the middle of downtown Los Angeles and started playing. Within minutes, thousands of people flooded the area. Fires were blazing, fireworks lit up the sky, and everyone had their own distinct style. Face paint, piercings, and wild hairstyles. The mosh pits were brutal, but there was an underlying sense of love and respect. People were thrashing around, but there was a code, an understanding. The music was a raw, visceral punch to the gut, turning the streets into the wildest party you've ever seen. It was a release, a way to shed all the pressures of life. How's your punk show experience? Let's go. These videos could easily end up in a museum someday. This wasn't just a show, it was a living, breathing piece of performance art. But it wasn't performance in the traditional sense. It was real, raw, and unfiltered. It was humanity at its most expressive and unrestrained. Holy fuck, yo, that was wild. This is the kind of raw, authentic experience that deserves to be preserved and shown to future generations. That's the LA punk scene, raw, rebellious, and undeniably influential. Oh. Trevor, sick ass photographer from LA. Let's go, always at the punk shows. Let's get him off it.
Hey, mad at him, but I ain't mad at him.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Not gonna lie, that one was fucking crazy. Good timing. Didn't want to lose my last brain cell. You know what I'm saying?
Literally.
I was on the last three.
Last one.
Wow, what a shot.